Are you looking for a seamless way to manage your team's workload and optimize response times? As your support team grows, so does the challenge of ensuring that each ticket is assigned to the right agent efficiently and without manual intervention. That's where the Knots Round Robin Assignment app steps in. This app intelligently distributes incoming tickets to your team, automatically balancing the workload and ensuring no one gets overwhelmed. There's no need for manual ticket assignment. Say goodbye to uneven workload distribution. It adapts to your team's real-time availability, streamlining the entire process and helping your team maintain a high level of productivity and customer satisfaction. Here's how you can start optimizing your Zendesk using the Round Robin Assignment app. In the Zendesk Marketplace, search for Round Robin Assignment by Knots. Once you've found it, go to the app page and click Install. The link is also noted below. In the pop-up window, choose the Zendesk instance for the installation. You will be redirected to your Zendesk admin space, so please make sure you have admin rights. Before installing the app, you can rename it and enable role and group restrictions. When you're done, click on the Install button. Go to your agent workspace by clicking the 4 squares icon at the top right, then select Support. Inside your Support workspace, click the Round Robin Assignment icon on the left. If you have numerous apps installed, it might be hidden under the 3 dots at the lower left part of your screen. Click on this icon to proceed to find the Round Robin Assignment app. You will log into your Knots.io account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. If you're already a Knots customer, simply log in. Once logged in, you can rename the Knots Round Robin Assignment app within its settings to match your team's internal names for easier recognition. Then, navigate to the Status of Finished Tickets dropdown, where you can select a status to exclude tickets from the assignment limit count. Any ticket with a status below the one you select will be included in the count toward the agent's ticket limit. For example, if you choose Closed, only tickets with statuses lower than Closed, such as Open, New, On Hold, or Pending, will count toward an agent's ticket limit. In the Set Tag on Assigned Ticket field, you will define the tag that will be automatically applied to a ticket when it's assigned. Feel free to change the tag to whatever fits your ticketing or reporting system. If you'd like to save Round Robin assignment statistics as a private internal comment, switch the Attach Internal Comment toggle on. When you do this, the comments will be generated with the help of dynamic content, which can be customized. To do that, click on the provided link and search for Round Robin Internal DC to edit. This feature is useful for tracking ticket distribution internally without revealing details to customers. The Round Robin Assignment app also works with Zendesk's Out of Office feature. If you are using that feature, in the Agent Out of Office tag field, define a tag, for example, Agent 000, for agents who are out of office. This will prevent tickets from being assigned to them while the tag is active. When you leave this field empty, this option is deactivated. If you want specific agents to be included in the Round Robin assignment, click Add Assignee and select the agents who should receive tickets. Next, in the Ticket Frequency field, you can set how often each agent should be assigned tickets relative to other assignees. For example, if 2 agents have a frequency of 1, tickets will be distributed evenly. If one agent has a frequency of 2 and the other one, the agent with the higher frequency will receive more tickets. If agents have the same frequency, the agent with fewer currently assigned tickets will receive the next one. You should use the Ticket Limit field to set the maximum number of tickets an agent can handle at any given time. A value of 0 means no limit, allowing agents to receive unlimited tickets. When you're happy with the setup, click on the Save Configuration button. Lastly, if you wanted to customize this automation further, you can also go to the Zendesk Trigger Conditions page. From there, you can add additional conditions about the tickets that you'll be distributing to your team. Whether you'd like to only assign tickets for a certain brand, group, tag, you can customize it there. Just make sure to save the changes you've made by hitting the Save button at the bottom of the page. Then, inside the app, refresh the trigger and toggle the Activate button to the right. Make sure to click on the Update Configuration at the bottom of the app's page. Now let me show you how this works. I've made a simple configuration of the app where I'm assigning all of the new tickets to the support team. Mark is out of the office, so he should not be assigned tickets, while Powie should get more tickets than the others. You'll see that Powie got more tickets than David and Hassan, and Mark was not assigned any tickets. Our app enhances Zendesk's out-of-office feature while making processes more efficient for your team. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to support at knots.io.